How you doing? Welcome to the show. My name is Jack Scalfani. It's Cooking with Jack show, and this is another Christmas episode. We'll get to the recipe in just 1 second. I want to thank my sponsors, .store, for giving us a discount code. Because if you want the web extension .store on your name, it's $1.99 if you use the discount code JACK upon checkout, okay? I got a link down below. You can click that link. It'll take you to purchase it, so you can be like tennis shoes .store. If you're selling anything, any type of a company, and you sell a product and you have the web name that you want is like your product .store. I don't know how else to explain it to you, but since I've been using .store, it's been very beneficial. I've seen a raise in my raise or rise. I don't know. I've seen my sales go up. That's all that matters, right? So get the right extension. If you are a store, you're a company that sells products, .store. It's only $1.99 right now if you're watching right this second. The link's down below. It's only for my viewers. So thank you guys for sponsoring the show. Now, today is a Lazy Man episode. It's called Lazy Man's Christmas Soup. It truthfully was just Christmas soup. But I read the instructions and I thought, this is brainless. This is super easy. This is almost like a Lazy Man video. And then I thought, I'll just call it a Lazy Man Christmas soup. So here it is. Come on in close and I'll show you the few ingredients you need. Okay, the colors of Christmas are right here in our pasta. You got the red, the green, and the white, and we're going to cook that up. We got some sour cream and some Velveeta cheese. We've got 3 different cans of diced tomatoes. Make sure you get a variety of diced tomatoes because the flavors are all different. They all add to the soup, okay? And then we got some basil, got some chicken bone broth, and for garnishing, to give a little more more red and green, we're doing a little bit of pepper flakes and a little bit of parsley. We're going to sprinkle that on top. And then to dip in this amazing soup, we got a few of your dipping chips, okay? So let's get this thing started. It's super easy. What do you see? All right, guys. Today's recipe is going to be made in the slow cooker. I did some reading on if I can use my Ninja Foodie slow cooker setting, and it said use a real slow cooker because the Ninja Foodie and the Instant Pot and then all of the slow cooking on the pressure cooker setups, they cook a little bit faster than a slow cooker. So the idea is to slow cook this. So we're literally just going to pour everything in, okay? So take your 3 cans of tomatoes. Take your either chicken broth or chicken stock. I'm using chicken bone broth for me because it's healthier. But you can do any of the 3. You can do vegetable stock too. Alright. Now, it doesn't tell me to put the basil in right now, but I'm choosing to do it because I want this flavor cooked in. So I want it in as long as possible. And then gently lower in the cheese. You want to cut your cheese in 1-inch slices. It's about half of a Velveeta. Let's put it in so it doesn't splash. Put it in on the side. There we go. And go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Just to get everything mixed together. Okay, guys. Give this a cover. You want to cook this on high for 1 hour. Then we'll finish the recipe. While this is cooking for 1 hour, let's go over to the stove. We're going to cook the pasta because the pasta goes in here already made. Just grab your tricolor pasta, cook it according to the box. There's no instructions other than just drop in some boiling water, and when it's done, pull it out. All right, guys, so we've been cooking this for an hour. It's looking beautiful and cheesy and basil-y. Oh, it smells so good. You ready to finish this up? Okay, so we take a little bit of pepper flakes, put them in, just for seasoning. You don't have to put these in if you don't want it hot. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to take our sour cream. Oops. Be careful about that. That's good. All right. Go ahead and grab a whisk and get that broken in. Don't put your pasta in just yet. Make sure all the sour cream gets whisked in. Look at that. It's just getting creamier and creamier. Now we're going to be cooking this down in a minute. Oh yeah. Okay. Take your tricolor pasta and put that in. A little bit of time. Come on. There we go. I'm ready for it to all just go kerplunk. But it's not going to. There we go. Alright, and then get your spoon. Break up that pasta. Get it all mixed in. Oh my gosh. It's looking Christmassy now. We got lots of tomatoes in there. I love it. Pasta's in there, sour cream's in there, seasoning's in there. So now, see, it's a little bit thin and runny. So the goal is to thicken that. So when I put this on high for an hour, we're going to tip the lid. Let me show you how. Just going to crack it a little bit. We're trying to get rid of some of the moisture. So do that, okay? Make sure there's an opening right here so humidity or moisture can come out while it's cooking. It's going to be thickening over the next hour, and we're done. That's it. Okay, break open your chips because we're getting to the end spot. Look at that consistency. It's only going to get thicker as it cools. It's still a little bit runny when you mix it up. But you know what? It's going to get thick over time. And you just cook it down to the thickness you want. But remember, it's a soup, not a stew. All right, let's try this out. We got these crazy, they're Tostitos. Hint of guacamole, it says. Look at this. They're green. So what I'm going to do is just put them in my soup all around the edge. Like that. You can eat them with your soup. There we go. Or you can not eat them and just have soup. Either way, let's give this a try. I'm ready. Okay, guys. Stop the arguing. Start watching Christmas movies. Start listening to Christmas music. This is the time you get to do everything for Christmas, okay? There's no more Thanksgiving. Stop saying, well, I don't need it. Get in the spirit. And by the way, buy somebody an extension from Dot Store because they're our sponsor today, okay? It's only $1.99 with the discount code Jack. So get them the extension if they have a business or they sell anything. Get them Dot Store. It's the way to go. All right? You guys ready? Let's try this out. Wow. That's cheesy. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I gotta go. We're gonna take this and we will see you later, okay?